Well, tonight, pushback from law enforcement against a social media giant. Nevada's Attorney General is joining the call for more parental control over what their kids are doing online. And 13 Chief Investigator Darcy Spears has a new information following her recent report about the dissatisfaction so many have with social media.
When most of us signed up on a social media site for the first time, it looked like an exciting new way to stay connected with family and reconnect with old friends. But for many, especially our youth, too much time on the platforms can be toxic. So once again, attorneys general across the country are pushing for change. The targets are TikTok and Snapchat. Attorneys general from nearly every state, including Nevada's Aaron Ford, fired off this letter to the tech companies urging that parental control apps be made available. Therapist Kim Taylor says that is key.
Parents really have to be paying attention. They have to be monitoring. They have to be having conversation with their kids.
The AG's letter reads, parental control apps can alert parents or schools to messages and posts on your platforms that have the potential to be harmful and dangerous. Apps can also alert parents if their child manifests a desire for self-harm or suicide. Entrepreneur Henry Asulin is developing a social media platform committed to family connection.
The reality is that people that are younger, teenagers, people that have, had a phone for only a few years, they don't have experience before they go onto these platforms with what these platforms are capable of.
The new AG letter to TikTok and Snapchat comes less than 30 days after a group of attorneys general announced they're investigating TikTok about the harms that platform could be causing and what the company knew about those harms.
We need to make sure that our children and our grandchildren are using technology in a safe way that is going to be good for them and safe for them, not only today, but in 5 years from now.
About this new call for parental control apps, TikTok provided a statement which says they appreciate the AG's focus on safety and we look forward to engaging with them on our existing features like family pairing and ideas for innovation in this area. Snapchat says they absolutely understand parents' concerns, so they're currently working on new features, stating we look forward to providing these tools in the coming months. You can see the full statements from both TikTok and Snapchat on ktnv.com, and still no word on how long the Attorney's General investigation into TikTok will take, but we'll stay on it and get you the results. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.